Welcome back to Grow My Savings. When we think of self-care, we picture bubble baths, journaling, or taking a walk in nature. But what about your financial self-care? The habits that make your money work for you, not against you. Financial self-care isn't just about saving or budgeting. It's about making money choices that give you confidence, calm, and control. Today, we'll explore how to practice financial self-care daily and how even the smallest decisions can build long-term confidence in your financial future. Financial self-care means taking care of your financial well-being the same way you care for your physical or emotional health. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. It's choosing to face your numbers, track your spending, and forgive yourself for past mistakes. Because confidence doesn't come from having the perfect budget. It comes from knowing you're paying attention and taking action. Each time you check your bank account, pay off a bill, or move a few dollars into savings, that's self-care in action. 1. Set aside money dates. Once a week or once a month, spend 30 minutes reviewing your money. Light a candle, grab your favorite drink, and make it peaceful, not stressful. 2. Celebrate small wins. Paid off a small debt, added $50 to savings, celebrate it. Acknowledging progress builds motivation to keep going. 3. Spend on what truly matters. Financial self-care isn't about restriction, it's about alignment. Spend on things that add real value to your life, not just short-term pleasure. 4. Set healthy boundaries. Say no to financial pressure, whether it's social spending, lending money, or impulse shopping. Boundaries protect both your wallet and your peace of mind. 5. Forgive financial mistakes. We've all made them, overspending, ignoring bills, or waiting too long to save. But guilt doesn't build wealth, awareness does. When you learn, adjust, and move forward, you grow stronger every time. The more you practice financial self-care, the more empowered you feel. Because every small, thoughtful choice compounds over time, not just in your bank account, but in your mindset. You start to trust yourself with money. You start to see progress instead of panic. And that confidence, it's priceless. So remember, self-care isn't selfish, and that includes your financial life. Take a little time this week to give your money some mindful attention. You'll not only build wealth, you'll build confidence with every choice. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to start treating their money like self-care.